Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a guitar looper. First, let's get everything connected. You'll plug your guitar into the looper's input, and then run a cable from the looper's output directly to your amplifier. Make sure your looper pedal has power and is switched on. For your first recording, a clean amplifier tone works best, giving you a clear foundation to build upon. This simple setup gets you ready to create amazing loops. Now that you're set up, let's record your very first loop. To start recording, simply press the looper's foot switch one time. Play a short, rhythmic musical phrase, focusing on keeping it perfectly in time. When you've finished your phrase, press the foot switch a second time. This action will stop the recording and instantly begin playing back your newly created loop. Listen closely to ensure it sounds just right. With your bass loop playing, it's time to add some exciting layers. To begin overdubbing, simply press the foot switch one time while your initial loop is playing. Now, play a new musical part that harmonizes or adds rhythm to your existing loop. You can add chords, melodies, or even percussive sounds. When you're satisfied with your new layer, press the foot switch a second time. You'll now hear all your layers playing together, creating a richer sound. Controlling your loops is straightforward. To stop all playback, quickly press the foot switch 2 times in a row. If you've just overdubbed something you don't like, you can usually undo it by holding the foot switch down for about 2 seconds. This removes only the most recent layer. To completely clear everything and start fresh, hold the foot switch down for approximately 4 seconds. This action erases all recorded loops, giving you a clean slate for your next creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.